Alright, this is my 1986 carrier wall unit. I'm gonna start it up. 3-ton, 36,000 BTU. It's not gonna run much because the upstairs unit's running still. Just woke up and it don't have much battery, so let's do this. So you can get close so you can actually hear the sound. Head pressure. Already built head pressure, that's just incredible. It's already cooling. Not even fucking 30 seconds running. It's already cooling. Yeah. Very loud, that's for sure. What can we do? Cooling. It's 88 degrees outside right now, and this thing, there's no door closed. That window is open. This thing just built head pressure really quick. I have to shut the video down now because I'm out of battery.